The most wonderful time of the year is finally here. And we are so excited to have you join us for this magical Christmas party. Tonight is all about joy, laughter, and creating unforgettable memories together. Thank you for being here and for making this holiday season truly special. Let's make this a night to remember. And now, we have a special surprise to make this celebration even more magical. Even though we are all gathered here tonight, the spirit of Christmas connects us with loved ones near and far. We are thrilled to share a heartfelt video message from a dear friend who's joining us all the way from beautiful Croatia, UAE and Oman. Let's take a moment to listen to their warm wishes and feel the love that knows no distance. Here's to friendship, joy, and the magic of Christmas that brings us all together.
What's up mga kabeshuwap? It's me, Rocky Rock, and welcome back to me. It's me, your beshing Melok sa pangalan na boses. Wait. Ay, hindi ko pala vlog to. Again. Hello mga mare! Merry Christmas to you all. At sana ay bless tayo lalo ni God. More pera at Merry Christmas again. Ulit-ulit lang, di ba? Char. Again mga mare, I miss you all. Na-miss ko na yung mga moment at banding natin. Mon, sana maging fresh ka na. Ayun no, pangarap mo yan. Like me, maging fresh. Sana ikaw din. Char lang mare. Wish you Mon and Merry Christmas to you. Isa-isayin ko kayo ha, kasi utos ni Mon. Ate Arlene, miss you so much. You're so pretty, stay pretty and stay sexy. Wish ko sa'yo madagdagan ka ng konting little bit height. Char lang. Love you, Ate Arlene. Alicia, my friend. Shut up, bitch. Alicia, we miss you all. I miss you all. Stay safe ko. Ang dami nyo. Maring Joy, alam mo naman ang wish ko sa'yo. Sana pumayat ka na. Sana magpakasal ka na very soon. Maring Kevin, ano sikreto na magiging sexy at magkaroon ng healthy love life? Sana all. Queenie and Mike, again, congratulations sa inyong dalawa guys. I'm so happy for you. For you, both of you. Bahala kayo mag-decide. Kaya choice din yun. Multiple choice yun eh. Kung hindi naman take classmate ng high school at elementary, so kanya-kanyang trip yan. At again, mga kamare, wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Chinese New Year, and Happy Birthday to you all again. Bye-bye! It's me, your beshing Melok sa pangalan again, na boses. Bye! Alis na ako.
Hello guys! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! I know that you are celebrating your Christmas party tonight. I wish that I am there as well to celebrate with you, but I am far away from you. But for now, just enjoy your party, have fun. See you soon inshallah. Yeah? Again, enjoy your party. Enjoy.
Advance Happy New Year to all of you. I wish I was there tonight to celebrate this Christmas season and be able to rock around the Christmas tree with you guys. But unfortunately, I'm quite far now. And guys, I want you to know that I was blessed to have a friend like you. Be surrounded by people, amazing people like you in Qatar. And you guys are always in my heart. I want to take this opportunity as well to greet my favorite human creature in Qatar. Happy birthday to you, and I wish you all the best, and I hope we can see each other again. I love you, and again, Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm sending everyone a big hug from UAE to Qatar. I hope everyone enjoys tonight's celebration and have a joyous holiday. I love ya.
Hi Marites Marites Group, welcome to Oman. So we have our festival here because it's holiday. And then I really miss you guys and Merry Christmas to all of you. Enjoy your Christmas party today that I am not there. Hope you guys are happy. May pagka-bitter sa dulo. So, Mare, kumusta? Sa aking Raymond, na aking kumare, na lagi na lang nagdadrama. Mare, alam mo naman na mahal kita. At ikaw lang ang aking kumare na laging nagdadrama sa akin. Alam ko nandiyan ka naman lagi para sa akin. Kaya bawat message ko, may kape. Lagi na lang may kape. Nakakaloka ka. Pero alam mo na ikaw lang ang kumare ko na mahal ko. Alam mo yan. At sana makahanap ka na ng forever. To Joy, sana pagka kasal mo, magkaroon ka na ng baby. Gawa ka agad ha. Huwag nang patumpik-tumpik pa. To my Bax, hi Bax, Kebs. Kung ano man yung goal mo, push na. I-guide ka naman namin. At saka nandito kami mga taga-Marites Group para gabayan ka or i-push ka. Kung ano man yung goal yun, susuportahan ka namin. Kung ano man yun. To Ma'am Marlene, I miss you. You're the best manager that I have. Ma'am Marlene, I miss you. Ikaw yung manager na nakilala ko na tumulong sa akin at kung nasan ako ngayon. Alam ko lagi ka nandyan para gabayan ako kung ano may mga tanong ko. Sinusuportahan mo pa din ako. And for Alicia and to your husband, congrats on your wedding. And then hope that you will have hope that you will pass on this day of the becoming, and then you will have a new baby soon. And then for Kausha, thank you for support. You know that because of you, your help, I'm here still. I'm here on where am I? And then to Queen and Michael, congrats ulit sa kasal niyo. Sana next year, anak naman. Sana baby naman yung iplano nyo. And then, Kuya Robert, kumusta? Anong ulam? Sana matikiman ko ulit yung mga luto mong pagkain na kakaiba. At ingat, God bless. And then, to my dearest heart, I really miss you. And then, hope to see you again next year. Let's see. And good luck to your KLBP. And that's all. Good luck Marites Group, and then I really miss you guys. Mama Chuchu.